Actions in Sanskrit, that is kriyaha. Pat, pathati, to read. Lik, likhati, to write. Khad, khadati, to eat. Pa, pib, pibati, to drink. Dhav, dhavati, to run. Chal, chalati, to walk. Gam, gaccha, gacchati, to go. Gai, gai, gayati, to sing. Nrit, nrutyati, to dance. Has, hasati, to laugh. Khel, khelati, to play. Drush, pashya, pashyati, to see. Tru, tar, tarati, to swim. Kurd, kurdati, to jump. धन्यवादाः.